Good morning, friends. Today we will continue the social organization insect. This one is the second topic, the social organization in honeybees. The most fascinating creature of the earth. Honeybees are social insects, lives together in large colonies, lives in comb or nest, mutual cooperation exists, developed communication, dances, defense and division of labor occurs in honeybees. What about the colony of the honeybees? A colony consists of eggs, larvae, and pupae, and adults. No varies with the species colony, consist of workers, drones, and queens, polymorphism. किसी भी कॉलोनी के अंदर क्या क्या होंगे? अंडे होंगे, लार्वा होगा, प्यूपा होगा और एडल्ट होगा। यहाँ पर जो नंबर होगा वो वेरी करेगा एक स्पीसीज की कॉलोनी। अलग अलग कॉलोनी में इनकी संख्या अलग अलग हो सकती है। उनमें क्या क्या होंगे वो भी बात आती है, तो यहाँ पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म देखने को मिलता है। उनमें वर्कर्स होंगे, ड्रोन्स होंगे और क्वीन होगी। ईच मेंबर हैज अ डेफिनेट टास्क। हर एक मेंबर की एक निश्चित कार्य प्रणाली है, एक निश्चित कार्य है। कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इंडिविजुअली। Pheromone distribution and dances are necessary for survival of colony. ये हम जानते हैं कि जो भी कॉलोनी बना के है वो सिग्नल्स वहां पे होंगे, केमिकल्स जैसे फिरोमोन्स की बात हम कहते हैं वो वहां देखने को मिलेगा, जो कि उस कॉलोनी को, उसकी स्ट्रक्चर को, उसके कंपोजिशन को मेंटेन रखने में मदद करते हैं। हनीकॉम्ब, हाउस ऑफ बीज, is known as comb, that is honeycomb. Hexagonal cells made of wax secreted by workers' abdomen. Hangs vertically, two types of cells present, honey cells, upper cells, and brood cells, lower and middle cells. Honey cells store pollen, nectar, and honey. Brood cells are meant to rear the brood. Worker, queen, and drones. These are the members of the colony. Queen is progenitor of colony. Only fertile female of the colony. Large in size, developed ovaries. What's the function of the queen? Egg laying is the main function of the queen. Only the member or a single individual queen lay eggs in large number, in thousands of numbers. One queen or one hive fed with royal jelly. They have broad thorax, well-developed notched mandibles, reduced mouth parts, small eyes, and brain. क्या क्या नहीं होते क्वीन में? It lacks salivary gland, wax gland, pollen brush, pollen basket, honey sacs. All these things are absent in queen because the function of queen is only the laying of eggs. So these are these structures which are lacking in the queen are present in particularly workers. Mate only ones lay about 1500 से 2000 अंडे एक बार में प्रतिदिन देती है. Eggs hatch out into larva which pupate and finally develop into adult. Workers bees feed young ones. Queen receive more royal jelly. Lifespan is 5 to 8 years. Fertility decreases with aging. जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती है उस तरह से क्वीन की फर्टिलिटी है वो कम होती जाती है। स्पेशल केयर, वर्कर्स गिव फूड, केयर एंड प्रोटेक्शन टू क्वीन, prepare comb to queen and clean her to lay eggs, produces airborne pheromones, queen substance that keep the colony functioning orderly, loyal and protective to that queen. Drones, fertile male, fertile, fertilize the virgin queen, referred as king of the colony. तो ड्रोन इज नोन एज किंग ऑफ द कॉलोनी। क्या काम करता है? मेल को। ये फर्टाइल मेल है जो कि किसी भी क्वीन को फर्टिलाइज करने में प्रयुक्त होता है। दे हैव शॉर्ट एंड स्टाउट बॉडी, लार्जर देन वर्कर बीज, लार्ज hollow optic eyes, small and pointed mandibles, extremely short proboscis, unspecialized mouth parts, sting, salivary glands, wax gland, pollen sac, and honey sac absent. जिस तरह से क्वीन में ये सब चीजें अनुपस्थित थी, उसी तरह से ड्रोन के अंदर भी ये सब चीजें नहीं होती। ड्रोन का केवल एक काम हो गया कि वो फर्टिलाइज द वर्जिन क्वीन, बस केवल एक बार प्रयुक्त हुआ, उसके बाद में ये कोई काम नहीं करता है, इसलिए वो स्ट्रक्चर्स भी इसमें एब्सेंट होती हैं। वेल डेवलप्ड मेल reproductive structures present, reared from unfertilized egg in large drone cells, depend workers for honey, live in 5 to 6 weeks, dies after copulation, responsible for passing colony genes on to next generation. Now we are talking about the workers. Workers are the important cost of this colony. Non-reproductive females are known as workers, smaller in size, specialized body for pollen and nectar collection. They possess all these things, are all those things which are absent in drone and queen are present in workers. Means long triangular head, large and lateral compound eyes, long proboscis, well-developed sting apparatus, strong wings for fanning, pollen basket, wax gland, powerful sting for defense, honey sac for storing and carrying nectar, pharyngeal glands for secreting royal jelly, salivary glands for chemical modification of nectar. All these structures which are important for a colony are present in workers. They are also called neuters. ये fertile नहीं होते इसलिए ये neuters हैं. Since they do not have mating instinct and reproductive powers, produced from fertile eggs laid by queen, live in worker cell of comb, lives in for 6 weeks, perform all brood care, hive maintenance and defense. Two groups, house bees or resident, stay in nest for domestic duties, or second one are the field bees or foragers. Outdoor workers visit fields, forests and gardens and collect pollen, nectar, propolis and gum. These are the two groups of workers. एक तो हाउस वर्कर्स जिन्हें हम कहेंगे, एक फील्ड वर्कर्स जिन्हें हम कहेंगे। हाउस बीज जिन्हें हम कह सकते हैं, फील्ड बीज जिन्हें हम कह सकते हैं। तो दो ग्रुप हैं यहाँ पे। Foragers are of two types, searchers and collectors. Searchers inform collectors for collecting pollen, nectar, etc. after searching. More classes from function building. More classes group. Function builders make wax cells, comb, construction, cleaner, removes excreta, debris, and dead bodies. Fanners ventilate, comb by beating wings. Storekeepers receive pollen load from collectors, and store nurses take care of queen, eggs, larvae, etc. Brewers produce honey guard or soldiers guard and protect the colony from intruders. There are repairers who seal the holes and repair the comb. Waiters wash the queen chamber and attend the queen. Temporal polytheism rather than specializing in one job only. The workers progresses through colony task is predictable, order based on age. Regulated juvenile hormone JH. Young concentrate in central area cleaning brood cells and taking care of queens. When they age, they involve in building comb, receiving pollen and nectar, etc. Bee dance. Bee dance is a specific activity of bees which is described by Carl von Fries 1886 to 1982. Australian ethologist, so who won Nobel Prize in 1973 in physiology and or medicine. The dance is the language and orientation of bees 1993, first to discover the dance of the honeybees. Dance in communication, the two dances that von Fries first observed in honeybees. The dance unique animal communication system. A bee can communicate the location of a profitable food source to its followers. What the bee communicate? Distance and direction, order, presence of a profitable source, one of the greatest discoveries of behavioral science. इस प्रकार से मधुमक्खियों के अंदर जो डांस की सिग्नल टेक्निक है वो कम्युनिकेशन के लिए बेहतर सोर्स है, बेहतर विकल्प है कि किसी भी अपने ग्रुप के मेंबर्स को किस तरह से फूड सोर्स तक पहुंचाया जाता है, किस तरह से बात को कम्युनिकेट किया जाता है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन of honeybee. Thank you very much.